Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Crafts, and today for you I have a time lapse of me making a Perler Bead creation. And I just want to say I don't take full credit for this. I did find a Pikachu in a Santa's hat, and I'm using the Santa's hat portion of it for this video. I did create the baby Yoda, or the child that is in the hat, so that portion is all me. I just thought it would look super cute in the hat. I'll provide a link to the actual picture I used of Pikachu in the hat in case you guys do want to make one of these on your own. And for this creation, I will be using my extra large pegboard for the mini beads and mini beads. I'll leave a list of the colors that I used down below. I hope you enjoy. And when I was finished with the creation, I didn't know if I wanted to make it a magnet, a keychain, or a tree ornament. I ended up having one just plain, and then I made one into a tree ornament by adding a jump ring and a piece of string or ribbon through it. And once I tied that on, I was all done. So here's the finished product. If you guys want to make one on your own and just watching me do this in the video wasn't enough for you, I'm posting it over on my Instagram. I'll have a closer up picture for you guys. My Instagram is Kawaii Brittany. I'll leave the link down in the description for you guys. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see me make in the future. And I hope to see you guys stick around because I'm doing a few more Christmas decorations. I will be posting another one in a couple of days for you, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Have a happy holiday.